Hey beautiful girls, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another awesome range of products, and this time they are from one of the brands which I really love, and that is Arij Veda. So Arij Veda is a brand which handcrafts soaps, body butters and other body products which are absolutely natural, handmade, free from synthetic colors. They do not have any SLES, they have no parabens and no preservatives, and these are the products that I typically like using. So without any delay, just let us see what all I received in my box. So this is how the box came in packaged. I'm going to open this, and this is what came out of this box, friends. Just look at it. It is so beautifully packaged and bubble wrapped. The details of the brand and their contacts has been mentioned here. So along with that, I have received a note which says, "Hello Dr. Suchitra, first a big thank you for choosing us. You are pretty awesome to support a small handmade business. We are happy to serve you." So Arij Veda means the scripture of fragrances. Arij Veda is a handcrafted bath and body luxury brand. We at Arij Veda blend exotic and natural ingredients in our products with love. All our products are handcrafted and in small batches to ensure that the quality of the products are maintained. All products are natural, 100% vegetarian. None of our products are tested on animal. All our products are paraben free, SLS, SLES free, or free of any other harmful chemicals which are not good for skin health. We are sending you some of our best selling products. We hope you like them. We love to hear from you. Enjoy. And this is from the founder Priya. So Priya is a young entrepreneur who's a mother of a toddler and a dynamic lady on her own. So yeah, friends, let us just go right in and look at what all I have received in this hamper. So let me just open it up. So friend, this is the hamper, and this is priced at rupees 1499. So this is a beautiful tray with a wonderful packaging, and I honestly love when my things come in packaged so beautifully. This makes you feel really awesome. It's a very pleasant thing to get, and the fragrance which is all around me as soon as I opened this hamper is awesome. So along with this hamper, they also have multiple other hampers which start from the range of rupees 450 and ends with this one which is priced at rupees 1499. Along with this, they have multiple small hampers. They have a travel kit which is worth rupees 650, 6 travel size products in it. There is a gift hamper in 2 variants, which is one is for rupees 1000, the other is for 1499, which is this one. Then there are some spa kits which is worth rupees just 450. So honestly, I think they have a huge range of products and their products are quite nice. So without any delay, let us just go ahead and open this up. So I will start first with the soaps which are part of this. So I have 3 soaps in this hamper. The first one is a Caf Latte, which is a 100-gram product and is priced at rupees 110. The expiry and manufacturing date is mentioned here. All the ingredients are mentioned here. So friends, as I mentioned earlier, this is a handcrafted soap which has natural ingredients in it. It does not contain any artificial colors or any preservatives or any SLES, parabens and other harmful toxins in it. So friends, whenever you are looking at the ingredients, look at the first few ingredients in the list, and as you can see here, the first ingredients are oils, that is coconut oil, castor oil and palm oil. All are deeply moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, help in the healing of the skin. That means these are the major part of the soap, and typically soaps with high content of oil will be good for your skin because they leave your skin nicely moisturized and help in sealing the moisture. So yes, soaps which are rich in oils are definitely a thumbs up from me. In addition, they have some special ingredients. As you can see, they have goat's milk, it has got coffee ground, vanilla extract, honey and essential oils. So all these products will give it an extremely moisturizing effect and an antioxidant effect. So friends, coffee is one of the most strong, powerful antioxidants and help in the regeneration of the skin. It also neutralizes any harmful radicals which are damaging your skin. Vanilla extract will give you that relaxing feel. and yes, it is rich in essential oil. The fragrance is very, very rich and just like coffee. The second soap is a golden turmeric latte. So again, this is a 100 gram priced at rupees 150, and the ingredients which are different from the first one is it has got turmeric, it has got goat milk, and it has essential oil. So turmeric, friends, again is one of the wonder products, has healing properties. It has got anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties when applied to the skin or when ingested also. So turmeric, we Indians are lucky because we have turmeric almost in all our foods. So yes, we are already using it as a good anti-inflammatory, but yes, on the skin too, turmeric is like a wonder ingredient and very, very useful. But I haven't seen people using turmeric a lot, but Ayurveda speaks of turmeric in really, really good terms and as an excellent ingredient for the skin. And these are the contents. So let us see what Arij Veda has to say. It says the golden spice drink is for your skin. It has essentials of goat milk, which has selenium and is loaded with vitamin E, the most important vitamin for the skin. It has anti-aging properties and wonderful for dry and sensitive skin. Turmeric, which has excellent anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidants, as well as luxurious sandalwood essential oil, which has anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. The fragrance is very nice and smells of sandalwood. The third soap that I asked for is an energizing lemongrass, and again it is a 100 gram product priced at 110, and the ingredients in this are, apart from the usual standard ones, it has got shea butter, it has got turmeric, it has got lemongrass, and it has got spirulina powder as well as essential oils. So lemongrass, as you know, has a very sharp fragrance, has very energizing. Even when sprayed in the room or kept as a diffuser in your room, it awakens your senses and is very, very nice and refreshing. So what this says is lemongrass essential oil is known for its ability to reduce stress and brighten the mood. A mixture of spirulina and turmeric powder give the soap its show-stopping color. Dried lemongrass is gently exfoliating and gives a natural look to the soap. Yes, I don't know if you can see some bits in it. So this would be the dried lemongrass and spirulina. So spirulina again is a wonder food. It is really known for its magical effects even when ingested. So I think Arij Veda has really come out with excellent combinations of soap and something absolutely worth trying. I really look forward to trying all the three of this variant. I have tried two of their variants earlier, which I had received in the Elegance and Grace bag, and I had really loved those products, and hence I really look forward to using these two. Apart from the soaps which are there, they also have other body products, and now let us move to the other ones. So I have received this green clay rose milk mask, and this is priced at rupees 350. The details are mentioned here, and I'm sure all of you know the importance of green clay. Green clay really helps in refreshing your skin. It brightens your skin, gets your pores cleaned and soaks in all your oils from your face. So this is going to be a excellent face mask, especially for the ones with oily skin. But clays are good in that sense that in summers they have very soothing, and I really like using clay mask, especially in summer. I do not prefer using sheet mask because they make your skin very sticky and there's intense moisturization. So sheet masks are fine in winters in cooler climates, but for summers I really prefer clay masks. So this is how it looks, a very beautiful color. It's a green clay in it, and it also has rose milk. Oh my god, the fragrance is so good. So not only it's going to help the skin, but I think you are going to have an excellent relaxing effect when you apply this. Then the next product that I have received is this green tea body butter, and it is a 50 gram product priced at rupees 140. So I'm so happy to see this pricing. All the prices that I have seen till now are so reasonably. Typically handmade, handcrafted products are priced like anything. I mean, you can see around and see the brands, they are overpriced like crazy, but this is honestly a very reasonable cost. And yes, this is a different combination. So this has got green tea in it, and let us look at the other ingredients. So it has got unrefined shea butter, it has got unrefined cocoa butter, green tea powder, green tea extracts, and essential oil. So green tea is an excellent antioxidant, will help your skin in repairing and rejuvenating it. So yes, this is definitely a good body butter, but let me open it and try it for you. So the good part about this is all the products are sealed, so you are not going to get any any leakage. Oh my god, just look at this. This is so rich. Look at this. I am loving it. So before this there was just one brand which I had absolutely loved, and again that was a handcrafted brand, but that body butter was priced at 3 times this cost, friends. So honestly, if you're looking for a good body butter which is original and which is good, I think this is the one. I am really liking this. It's a very nice. I think this will work very well on an oily skin as well as on a dry skin, and I'm loving this packaging also. Friends, you can't believe my room is so full of fragrances and it is really smelling awesome. The next product that I have received is a green tea eye cream. I mean, I have dark circles, and really honestly earlier on I have not taken good care of my eyes and my skin around my eyes. I have treated it just like my face, but yes, eye care requires special treatment and we should really give it good care. Even at a younger age, we need to take care of the skin around the eyes because it is very thin, very sensitive, and we really mistreat our eyes with the number of eye products that we use. As Indians, we are so used to using kajal and kohl and eyeliners. They do damage your skin, and I think after you use that, you really take good care of your eyes. So I did not want to use anything with chemicals on my eyes. I just wanted to give it a nourishing care. This is exactly what I wanted. So it has got jojoba oil, it has got vitamin C, carrot seed oil and green tea, and this is again very honestly priced at rupees 199. It is a 15-gram product, and this is how it is. Let me just take a swatch of it. It smells of green tea, obviously. So there are no natural colors or no natural fragrance. That is the good part about it, and I think this is going to work very well on the eyes. So I will let you know once I start using it, but overall I am liking this product. The next one is something that I was really looking forward to. So it is the Rosemary Lavender Cuticle Salve. Friends, I think you will remember that I had my nail extension done a month or so ago. While the nail extensions were beautiful, my nails are badly damaged after that, and as you can see, I really need to take good care of them. I was really looking forward to this. It's a very handy pack, a small pack, and very reasonably priced at 120 rupees. This is how it looks. The fragrance is very nice. So this has got beeswax, it has got olive oil, it has got shea butter, it has got vitamin E, it has calendula, and it has got carrot extract, lavender essential oil, rosemary essential oil. So this has got a set of wonderful ingredients, and the most important part in this is it has got calendula. So calendula again has a healing and repairing property. Many a times you may not notice, but there are micro cracks around your cuticles, as you can see here also. So I think you need to take good care of your cuticles. So these are parts which we do not take care of, and this is how it is. It's quite nice, non-oily but yet moisturizing. I look forward to using this product too. A very promising product, really something I was looking forward to. And then we come to the last product in this hamper. This is a solid perfume and it is in the variant Arabian Night. So it's very difficult to carry liquid perfumes with you when you're traveling. You want something handy, you want something which can just be put into your purse, and this is just perfect. This is priced at rupees 250 and it has got coconut oil, it has got olive oil, it has got grapeseed oil, beeswax and fragrance oil. So the most exciting one. So the fragrance is quite nice. It is quite Indian fragrance, quite an ethnic fragrance that will come out of this. What you need to do when you are using a solid perfume is you just rub this on your fingers and put it on your pulse points. So typically when you put the fragrance on your pulse point, it stays longer. It also leaves a good smell. So pulse points are generally around your wrist here or around your neck. One of the tip is also, you can just apply a little bit of this on your hair strands, because perfumes last longer on your hair. The hair is a dry, dead cuticle and it will stay longer. So, it will remain. Even if someone passes by you, they can smell this fragrance from your hair. So a very little of it on few strands of hair goes a long way. So that's my tip. I typically use it that way. I just take a little and rub it on few strands of my hair too. So yes, this is settling down to be a nice mild fragrance and quite a nice one. So I'm happy. I always love perfumes and I'm happy to get natural perfumes which do not have any alcohol or any other damaging ingredients. So friends, these were all the products that I received in my hamper. I am loving this hamper. It is very, very reasonably priced and you could either go for a hamper, which I mentioned earlier, you could also choose individual products, order individual products. They have a large range of variants. You could check out on their page or on their Facebook or connect with them to know more. I'm loving this and really look forward to using all of them. I will be putting up some of the variants of the soaps which are available at the end of this video. Go ahead and check them out. With that, we come to an end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. These are some of the products I love and hence wanted to share it with you. I hope you enjoyed these, and if you did, please go ahead and order this product. Subscribe to my channel. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.